Hey guys, Natasha Denona here, and today I want to show you a really beautiful smoky purple eye using my brand new limited edition Triochrome Eyeshadow Palette. I've used only the purple row for this day to night look. I hope you will love it. Continue watching. For this look, I'm using Manganese to give some accent to the outer and inner corners of the lash lines. Next, I want to diffuse the harsh borders of both lines, so I'm pressing and kind of swiping the pigment onto the outer rim of the lines. It will just give this beautiful soft finish. And then with Redox, I want to soften even more, so I'm following again the same line, the shape of the lines, and also blending it upwards slightly. But also the lower lash line, I have to diffuse a little to give this soft finish and a sultry look to the eyes. If you find that you have diffused a little bit too much, it can happen sometimes with matte eyeshadows, especially when they're really put close together. Then you just repeat everything. You can intensify again with the dark shade, diffuse a little bit more again with the medium and with the light. To finish up the day look, I am picking Naga and popping this onto the center lash line of the upper lid, just to give this lilac electric vibe to this eye makeup look. For the night look, I want to create like a dramatic halo smoky eye. So I'm picking up Manganese again with a larger brush and pressing this into the inner corner and just work slightly inwards and a little bit above the fold. As well as buffing the same dark shade onto the outer corner of the lid, just to lift the dark shade, to emphasize, to give some more drama to it. With Naga, I want to connect both corners, so I'm placing it into the center crease and swiping it from side to side. But at the same time, also moving in and outwards just to diffuse everything. So finally, I'm picking Kinetic. This is the multi-chrome pressed pigment eyeshadow from this row. I'm using a damp brush to swipe this onto the center lid. And this will give you the most beautiful, futuristic, sophisticated finish to this eye look.